Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary DJI Avata 3, a game-changing FPV drone that takes aerial innovation to unparalleled heights. Packed with cutting-edge features, stellar performance, and advanced safety systems, the Avata 3 is designed for creators, enthusiasts, and professionals who demand the best. Join us as we explore every detail of this remarkable drone and why it stands out as the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Enhanced camera and imaging. The DJI Avata 3 is equipped with a state-of-the-art 4K camera that sets a new benchmark in drone photography and videography. Its advanced image sensor captures stunning visuals with incredible clarity, vibrant colors, and precise detail. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the Avata 3's wide dynamic range ensures optimal performance. An improved gimbal stabilization system guarantees smooth footage, even during high-speed maneuvers or windy conditions. With support for HDR video and a range of frame rates and resolutions, this drone empowers content creators to craft cinematic masterpieces effortlessly. Whether you're producing professional-grade films or capturing memorable moments, the Avata 3's versatile camera ensures your vision comes to life. Sleek design and durable build. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the DJI Avata 3 combines a compact, aerodynamic design with exceptional durability. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, while reinforced materials provide added protection during adventurous flights. The drone's sleek aesthetic, complete with LED indicators, merges functionality with style. Designed with modularity in mind, the Avata 3 allows for easy maintenance and upgrades. This feature makes it a practical choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its rugged construction ensures resilience against minor impacts, making it an ideal companion for exploration and creativity in challenging environments. Outstanding flight performance. When it comes to flight capabilities, the DJI Avata 3 is in a league of its own. Powered by an upgraded propulsion system, this drone delivers unparalleled speed and agility, enabling dynamic aerial maneuvers that were once thought impossible. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, pilots can enjoy extended sessions to capture awe-inspiring footage. The Avata 3 is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that provide an extra layer of safety. These sensors allow the drone to navigate complex environments with ease, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the customizable flight modes cater to every skill level, offering a seamless and intuitive flying experience. Immersive FPV experience. Designed for enthusiasts who crave an immersive flying experience, the DJI Avata 3 pairs seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The goggles deliver high-resolution live streaming with minimal latency, offering pilots a real-time, first-person perspective that truly feels like soaring through the skies. The intuitive controls and customizable flight settings make the Avata 3 accessible to both beginners and experienced FPV pilots. With modes such as manual and cinematic, users can tailor their flying experience to their preferences and skill levels. This perfect blend of technology and usability solidifies the Avata 3's position as a top choice in the FPV drone community. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Avata 3 reflects this commitment with its comprehensive safety features. Omnidirectional sensors allow the drone to detect and avoid obstacles from every angle, providing peace of mind during flights. The return to home, RTH, function ensures the drone safely returns to its takeoff point if the battery runs low or the connection is lost. Additionally, the Avata 3 incorporates geofencing technology, preventing the drone from entering restricted areas and ensuring compliance with local regulations. These safety enhancements make the Avata 3 a reliable and responsible choice for pilots of all skill levels. Superior battery life. The DJI Avata 3 boasts an upgraded battery system that offers up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge. This extended battery life allows users to maximize their creative potential, capturing more footage without frequent interruptions. The batteries are designed for quick swapping, minimizing downtime during shoots, while fast-charging capabilities ensure you're back in the air in no time. Advanced power management systems ensure consistent performance throughout each flight, making the Avata 3 a dependable tool for both casual users and professionals. Whether you're exploring vast landscapes or filming intricate scenes, The extended flight time is a game-changer for aerial photography and videography. Innovative remote control and connectivity. The Avata 3's remote control system is designed for seamless interaction and precise control. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended flying sessions, while customizable buttons provide quick access to essential features. With an improved transmission range, the Avata 3 maintains stable connectivity over long distances, making it ideal for exploring expansive terrains. Integrated with the DJI Fly app, the Avata 3 offers real-time telemetry, live video feed, and customizable settings directly on your mobile device. This user-friendly interface simplifies the flying experience, ensuring that both novices and experts can harness the drone's full potential effortlessly. Find My Drone, peace of mind. Losing a drone can be a stressful experience, but the DJI Avata 3's advanced Find My Drone feature alleviates such concerns. Utilizing GPS tracking, the drone's last known location is displayed on a real-time map within the app, guiding users to its position. For close-range searches, the drone emits audible beeps to help locate it in dense environments. This thoughtful feature protects your investment and ensures that your creative journey isn't interrupted by unforeseen mishaps. Conclusion: elevate your aerial adventures. The DJI Avata 3 redefines what's possible in FPV drone technology, offering a harmonious blend of innovation, performance, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a hobbyist exploring the skies or a professional seeking the ultimate tool for cinematic storytelling, the Avata 3 delivers exceptional value and versatility. With its advanced camera, immersive FPV experience, and robust safety features, the Avata 3 stands out as a must-have for anyone passionate about aerial photography and videography. Its extended battery life, modular design, and intuitive controls make it a reliable and enjoyable companion for every flight. Thank you for tuning in to Technology in the Future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the DJI Avata 3, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. Ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, guides, and exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and reaching new heights with technology in the future.